Squingy kill me without disrespecting me. And it's stuck with me. It's like in kill me and I can't answer.
Okay, I need this Squingy story, because you know when it comes to Squingy now, again, this is controversy. This is Mobile versus St. Anne's, you know.
Ready. All right, and this was in Mobile. Out of iron shoe, and the man beat me out of... And I said to myself, I said, wait. Them time me not start travel letter or nothing, you know. I hear what the man I say, muscle. Hear what the man I say. The man I say, people, all who see a fraggy time for start fly out pan pieces sound now, because the boy will fly out pan the sound and mash up the sound. But pieces now go with nothing for it. All who see a time for them, let go fraggy too. And you know, so the man I say, all who see fraggy for fly out 2 1 in a year. You know, so the man I say that for the whole night I get some big forward in a muscle. Mm-hmm. Watch me now. What do I say?
Yeah.
Me as a youth, them time I want to fly. Mm-hmm. So my boss I say, so you not even counteract him. I say, what me for go? They go say, all who see a line I tell me not supposed to fly out. Me can't say that.
You one of the... Yo,
the man I say, the youth are going good around the sun and the whole... The man basically I use me.
Mm-hmm. To win
and
the people them.
And I win the people them on inside.
Yes,
because remember them know so the people them love me. You know? Mm-hmm. Maybe this and me I run the place now. Then you know so the man I say, all who say, a time for peace. Because you know how long the youth round the sun and him not give him a visa for go foreign. All who say a time for lunch, tell him say fly out. The man that says so. Alright. Well now my time for play. It's like me there. There is nothing for me to counteract. Mm-hmm. Me have to try to play. And I said, Squingy, let me tell you this. You think, just ease yourself. What we happen, but me can't really...
How do you beat somebody that's cheering for you, but he's cheering for you to beat you at the same time, you know?
The man basically a big up Fraggy, and I said, him the body surround the sun. Mm-hmm. And I said, all those time if I kill pieces, because they're bad, my Fraggy. It's just like... I said to myself, how me counteract this? So, you know, I sit down there every time when I'm for play with the pan. Striker come up there and it's just like, it not what we said. Because even when we leave when the dance done and it over like a movie, like last song play and everybody leave. And then, you know, the people say, Joe, man, you have to free up the youth, man. Because the man go on with him. And it's like, I said, Judge, look how the man just kill pieces out and use my name and I can't even counteract a speech what the man make. Because the man I say, if you disagree with me, you're worthless.
Listen, but that's a master class.
Why you didn't say why you feel like he's, I know because he's dead why people rate him. My mind is well rated long years before he died.
Huh?
So me can't tell you because I lose to him enough and I beat him up too. Mm-hmm. That's the good thing about those times when we are clashing and we win some and lose some.
Okay. I want to hear a time where you actually won with Squingy on the song.
All right, watch out. Enough people don't know this. You see the rotten teeth argument? Don't know roll and broke me. You know, so me are the first youth. Say that on a microphone. Remember them time I don't know. I hear me I say, I don't know, so the man did have like rotten teeth. I don't know them as something now. It's something I don't know. Mm-hmm. So when I hear all, you boy, Squingy, you might crown them. I say, me do that long years before that. Mm-hmm. And get it. Me and them bodyguard that play along St. Elizabeth. Mm-hmm. Enough of our clashes at that time was Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth. You know, up in the Manchester side and Clarendon and thing. But you are going to know that this particular clash was Pieces, Bass Odyssey, and Bodyguard. The brethren one named Blacker, he play Bodyguard and either. So he rest in peace, youth. And Squingy, the whole Bass Odyssey team was. Them time I know I start flying now. Mm-hmm. So you know, say, at the first, me I go see him in the first couple times when I start flying. Mm-hmm. So you know the man, when I film time I play, you know, like other day online too. Because I think me the poster other day to him. Take up the mic and I say, Froggy, now tell you that your star look good, but boy, you're flying over. I'm telling you. Remember, tonight I prepare, you know, kind of. At the time, Mr. Vegas, it just bust. Mm-hmm. So this was probably 98?
98, 99, 97, 98, 99.
When Edzai just come out. Edzai, I'm killing with it now.
98-ish type.
All right, then you know, sir, we just voiced a dub there. Mm-hmm. fresh thing, you know. Cause I remember the rhythm voice it on the act this year. I nah forget. And it's like, Bodyguard never really like shell the place, cause them time the people them and links them here, but at this time, links get attacked foreign. So every weekend links them and fly out. Him they come and dance at the bridge on him Blacker. I mean I forget. Remember me I play now, you know, remember me I go and go, you know, Squingy them and say, yo, Bodyguard need for lock off so we and pieces can buckle it out. So remember me I play that, the Mr. Vegas there and fool, the dub was say, when they say, kill a little guns, we jump on, you come and skin up, you're thinking, rotten teeth, this is the part there. Watch ya. I say, remember me just say it, not even knowing say it's going to be one argument to take off like wildfire. I say, which Selector have rotten teeth? And the people them start say, Squingy, remember me don't know this. Me don't know this. Yeah. Squingy, I say, which Selector don't say have rotten teeth? All who know say teeth now. So you know me put up, you come up enough, and bossy place. We get the biggest forward for that the song, that the time there. Then you know, Bass Odyssey come in after that. Squingy not say nothing at all about it. It's just like loving it and the whole Bob Marley thing and the whole, cause Squingy them smart like so, you know, them and we just break the dance down. And make you feel like everything what you do, you're basically irrelevant for bring it back to a level. Mm-hmm. That night I never did work out, so but that make guarantee at the time, you know, at that mark, that time I was mark them. Mark it up on the sound? Yeah, mark them time there. Mm-hmm. I do the, I mean I tell you, they don't know say when at the end of the round, they must say, you know, so I feel all who say, Bodyguard for lock off and make we on pieces. Cause pieces are dark. People must say, like the people never really dip on him teeth upon the argument for lock off Bodyguard. So you know when Blacker come in here, Blacker, people, everything you take set for, and me tell you say you have rotten teeth in your mouth, sir. So to the man go say, yeah, take set for me, sir, and tell me about, what making a take set for the man who say you have rotten teeth in your mouth? Now I'm going to get a forward muscle. Yeah. I may win the dance there, but that high point, after I look back on it, I realized it became an argument with rotten teeth argument. And then one time, I win a dance up in a Clarendon, I think we did that. Mm-hmm. Was Bodyguard, Pieces and Jaro. Silver Cat did keep that dance there. And it was a dance where Jaro never bring them sound. I guess them the double book. Mm-hmm. And the sound did that play somewhere else with Freddie them. And Trooper rent, I think a fresh international sound. Let him talk about this one. Mm-hmm. I mean, I tell you, the two man, them, you know, when two people are shoot off of them, the man them are shoot off of each other. My sound string up in the middle. Bodyguard up on the left, Jaro up on the right, Pieces in the middle. Mm-hmm. But none of the man them links. Trooper say all who say links, and none of the man them. You see when the man them realize that the dance gone. Mm-hmm. Me the one Trooper. You see, hey boy, Pieces. Una go like with brother and Nancy. Una not this now what. Una take time and screech away with the clash. All who say enough to make Pieces go away with the clash. Cause me I say, if me I get so much forward without I go back and forth, me I got to just stick to what work for me. So me just slide through and I deal with it. Win the dance and go. I like the dance I go down to Garnet Silk for Garnet Silk. Did this, who played this, who played the best. I mean I tell you so we are win the dance right through. Silver Cat keep a dance.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.